Welcome to Quizzical Odyssey. Welcome, stargazers. Get ready for an interstellar adventure as we dive into the cosmos with our Heavenly Bodies quiz, test your celestial knowledge and explore the wonders of the universe. Are you ready to reach for the stars? Let's embark on this. This celestial object is known as the red planet due to its distinct reddish appearance. It has polar ice caps and the largest volcano in the solar system. Mars. The largest moon of Jupiter, this celestial object is known for its highly active surface with geysers that spew water vapor and icy particles into space. Europa. This planet, often called the morning star or evening star, is Earth's closest neighbor and is known for being exceptionally bright in the night sky. Venus. With its iconic rings, this gas giant is the sixth planet from the Sun. It has a large number of moons, including one with a thick, mysterious atmosphere named Titan. Saturn. This dwarf planet, previously classified as the ninth planet, is known for its eccentric orbit and its large moon named Charon. It's located in the Kuiper Belt. Pluto. The king of the planets, this gas giant is the largest planet in our solar system. It has a prominent banded appearance and a famous great red spot. Jupiter. This planet, known as the ice giant, has a distinct blue color due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. It features a system of rings and numerous moons. Neptune. The innermost planet of our solar system, this rocky world has extreme temperature variations between its scorching daytime and freezing nighttime. Mercury. This celestial object is a massive cloud of gas and dust, where stars are born. It can be seen as bright patches or dark lanes in the Milky Way. Nebula. A small, icy body that orbits the Sun, this celestial object produces a tail of gas and dust as it gets closer to the Sun, creating a spectacular sight in the night sky. Comet. This moon of Saturn is famous for its unique, hydrocarbon lakes and rivers. It's the only known natural body in the solar system with stable liquid on its surface. Titan. An ancient celestial object, this group of stars forms patterns in the night sky. Different cultures have created their own stories and myths based on these patterns. Constellation. This asteroid belt object is the largest dwarf planet in our solar system. It has a unique tilted orbit and is known for its distinct reddish hue. Immerse. A rocky and cratered body, this celestial object orbits between Mars and Jupiter. It's one of the most common types of objects in our solar system. Asteroid. This moon of Neptune is the coldest place in the solar system. It has geysers that erupt with nitrogen gas and dust, creating a hazy atmosphere around it. Triton. A small rocky planet with a thin atmosphere, this celestial object has the highest density of all the planets and is often called the evening star. Mercury. This gas giant is the second largest planet in our solar system and has a distinctive blue-green hue due to methane in its atmosphere. Uranus. A bright, giant star at the center of our solar system, this celestial object provides heat and light that supports life on Earth. Sun. This dwarf planet is located in the Kuiper Belt and is known for its bright and reflective surface. It has a moon named Dysnomia. Eris. This planet has an atmosphere made up of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Uranus. How did you do? We're curious to know about your performance. Share your score in the comments below and let us know how many questions you got right. Whether you aced the challenge or just had a bit of fun, your participation adds to the excitement. Don't be shy, drop your score and join the conversation.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on next video.